Yeah. I'm proud to see another day. Are you proud to see another day? Because I am. So, let me tell you how this day is going to go. The news already warned us this morning that you should stay in your house. So guess what? I'm going to stay in my house today. Yes. I'm going to stay in the house, okay? I'm not going anywhere. It's too cold. They're already telling us that it's 5 degrees, -5, wind, all that. No, I'm staying in here, okay? I already got my whole day planned out already, so I'm going to get my mom to make her famous oxtails. I seasoned it last night. Something told me to go to the store yesterday before
I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. Oh, all my niggas close to me, and all the mother niggas where they supposed to be. Oh, the house go.
I never found out that was going to be so cold today, so I went to the store by myself, you know, and I got some oxtail. I seasoned that up last night, and I'm like, Mom, we're going to make this oxtail today. You know, oxtail takes so long to make, so I'm going to get her to make it after she finishes what she's doing. I'm going to say, let's make some oxtail. Let's make some oxtail with some white rice. Yeah. So she gonna make that, and we're gonna make it do what it do. You guys, we're gonna stay in the house and chill. We're gonna party. We're gonna make some videos. We're gonna live it up. You gonna live it up this year? Don't be sad in that house depressed. Okay? Have fun. Have faith in God. He will make a way. So I had to write down my little list because I think it works better if I do a schedule, you know. So I already wrote down what I need to do today. I did do some cleaning yesterday. Sorry it's so dark, but I'm walking into my room. I did do some cleaning yesterday, but I'm going to finish it up today. I'm going to clean up my room a little bit more, and then I'm going to wash some clothes. Also, I'm going to, what else I'm going to do? I'm going to work some more. I had worked early this morning, but oh my gosh, let me tell y'all, I worked early this morning, and them customers was giving me a hard time. The first call I had, he was so rude. He would not let me talk. It's like when you ask people questions, you're supposed to like get their name and, you know, stuff. So when a caller calls in, they like, look, I have to ask you some questions for you to give my information. It's hard because sometimes the promotions change. So you tell them one price and then you read the script, it's another price. That's what happened last night. I don't know if you see that New Wave Oven commercial on the TV, but he wanted the New Wave Oven. It was reading as 3 payments of $29.95, right? And it said no shipping on there. It just said the shipping for the second oven is a buy one get one free offer. Okay, so I said, okay, that's the total is $149.80. That's your total, something like that. I said. So then I said, okay, let me get your name, your address, your name and your zip code. Okay, so I get his name and his zip code, and then, you know, I'm in the script, and it was like $29.95 for the first oven. He was like, wait a minute. Wait a minute. You said it was for 3 payments of $29.95. You didn't tell me at the payment of the $29.95. I was like, yes, sir. When he called, and I don't get your information, it's hard to just tell you the price because one price on the side says this price, but when you read the script, it's another price. So I'm sorry about that. He said I didn't apologize. I was like, I did say I'm sorry about that, sir. I just kept my composure. He got my name and stuff. He probably gonna call me up. I just hope this man don't start with me. It's too early in the new year to be starting with me. Like, I had to get off though. Like, I stayed on there for about 2.5 hours. I left. Usually I stay on there for about 5, but my head was starting to hurt because he stressed me out, and I was like, all right, guys. So I'm about to, you know, put some clothes up in here. Whew. Okay, guys. I'm about to put some clothes in the washing machine out. See how it feels. Go, King. Go, King. gravy on there. Alright, it won't focus. Come on, focus. Continue to provide so that we can bless others. In Jesus' name. I am you see, guys, this is what we got: some oxtail, broccoli, and rice. And Kim's ready to eat. Ready to eat? Mm. Why you gotta fight the camera?